This is the challenge for the loser. They have to eat a whole spoon of sambal. Let's see who will do it. What's up everybody, it's your boy Arjun. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the post notifications on. Hello everyone, I am Anand from AU's vlog. Hopefully you all recognize me. Today my brother has invited me to do the blindfold eating challenge competition. So we will see how that goes.
Hello, my name is Durga and today my brother has invited me to participate in this eating challenge. Let's see what happens at the end.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to explain the rules of the challenge. So guys, just show your papers real quick. So guys, I don't know if you can see, but there are actually numbers 1 to 7 on the sheets. So that is how many items there are gonna be. So after you finish one bowl or plate, you have to remove the blindfold and write what that item is. It will be as soon as every one dish, you will be writing what it is, so that at the end you will know everything what all you had. Any other questions guys?
No.
Okay guys, let's dive right into it. Okay guys, blindfolds on. Okay guys, your first item, go ahead and have it. It's on the bowl inside, yeah. Don't say anything. Okay guys, remove your blindfolds. Okay guys, write what your first thing is. Make sure you add flavors as well if there was. Okay guys, show your papers. Okay, so guys, so Durga has wrote orange flavored Tic Tac, and my brother has written Tic Tac Toe lemon / sour flavor. So Anand is wrong and Durga is right. So that was orange flavored Tic Tac. Okay guys, go ahead and have your second dish. Okay guys, write your second dish down. Okay, so let's see our contestants' papers again. So Anand has wrote cheese stick with mozzarella and cheese mix, and Durga has written cheese cube. So for this one, I actually give half a mark to Durga and 1 full mark to Anand, because it's actually not a cheese cube. It is cheese, but it's a cheese stick, and Anand brother gets the mark. Okay guys, go ahead and have your third item. Okay guys, write your third item. Okay guys, go ahead and show your papers. So Anand wrote cardamom flavored cream round biscuit, and Durga wrote Sunfest cardamom flavored cream biscuit. So guys, both are correct. It was actually cardamom flavored cream biscuit. So guys, good job. Okay guys, blindfolds on. Okay guys, go ahead and have your fourth dish. Okay guys. Okay guys, go ahead and write your fourth dish. Okay guys, show your papers. So Anand wrote Nature Valley Apple Crisp Granola Bar and Durga wrote Apple Flavored Granola Bar. Both are correct. Okay guys, blindfolds on. Okay guys, go on and have your fifth dish. So guys, I just kept water on the side because it's more of a spicier dish. So if they want to have some water later, it will be good. So let them have it and let them decide. Okay guys, go ahead and write your fifth dish. Okay guys, show your papers. So Anand wrote chapati with spread sambal and Durga wrote hot sauce spreaded chapati slice. So Anand is correct, it is spread with sambal, it's actually not hot sauce. So 1 mark goes to Anand and 0 marks goes to Durga. Okay guys, blindfolds on. Okay guys, go ahead and eat your sixth dish. Okay guys, go ahead and write your sixth dish. Okay guys, show your papers. Okay, so Durga wrote sea algae and Anand wrote 3 slices of seaweed. So guys, let me just debate upon this one. I will get back to you. Okay guys, so we are back from the debate and I have decided that Durga is wrong because nowhere in the packet it shows sea algae, but it does show seaweed. So I'm going to give the mark to Anand and not to Durga. Okay guys, blindfolds on. Okay guys, so this time it's not a bowl, it's actually a cup. So in that cup there are 3 different items. If you guess what those 3 items are correctly, then you will get the mark for it, otherwise you won't. So guys, go ahead and have your last dish. Don't worry, it's not a drink, it's actually solid food. Okay, so guys, good luck to you and I'm wishing you all the best. Go ahead and write your 7th item. Okay guys, go ahead and show your papers. So Anand wrote gummy bears, ginger crystallized candy and rice poha. Durga wrote gummy bears, dried sweet ginger snack, crispy rice puff corn snack. So I'll give half a mark for the last ones you guys wrote, the poha thing or the puff thing, but the ginger candy is right and the gummy bears is right. So it's actually not rice poha, it's actually wheat. So it is actually a wheat poha, so that will be like 2 marks plus the half mark, so 2.5 marks for the last one. So guys, we will just grade all of them and let's see who is the winner. Are you guys ready? Okay guys, so we tallied up the score. Anand got 8 out of 9 and Durga got 6 out of 9. So Anand is the winner and Durga is the loser. Unfortunately, so don't worry guys. So let the loser do something and I will be giving winner something. I will be right back to give the loser their punishment. Okay guys, so this is the challenge for the loser. I have chili garlic sauce, so which is exactly like same as sambal. So this spoon is what they have to eat, full of hot sauce. So let's just pour it in a bit more. Okay, I think that should be good. Yeah, that is good. Now I need to give it to Durga. Okay guys, Durga, go and eat your full spoon of hot sauce.
Oh my god, guys, let's see what happens.
So guys, make sure you like this video. She's doing it for content. Yes. Finish that spoon. Come on. You got this. Wow, good job guys, she just finished it. Good job. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it very much. So now I'm giving the mic off to the contestants and let's see how they enjoyed this challenge. What's up fam? This is your AU's vlog Anand here. Just wanted to say a huge thank you to Arjun for organizing this contest. This was really fun, innovative and dedicated contest. We had a lot of fun. I ended up winning. That shows my talents and skills in recognizing the food items, and hopefully you guys can try it at home. I'll now pass it on to my sister Durga.
Thank you. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed my experience. Fortunately, my brother showed his talents and skills in recognizing the food items and he won the game. Congrats bro. However, I feel that I am not unhappy because I got an opportunity to gulp down a full spoon of hot sauce, which I really enjoyed until the point that I can spit fire on you guys. Seriously. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more and bye.
Hey guys, I'm back. So Arjun gave me a treat for winning the blindfold eating challenge. Like I said, the competition was really fun. So tonight he treated me to KFC, the $5 fill-up. It looks really good. So let's have a couple fries and see. Yeah guys, so this is awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my brother's channel, leave a like and comment in the box. You can also check out my channel, it's AU's vlog. Be sure to show us all the support. Thank you so much guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Deuces.